Cleanup app is marketed as a phone cleaning app that supposedly removes junk files, frees up storage, and helps your phone run faster. But the real question is, should you download it before watching this? Now, to be fair, cleanup apps can provide some useful features. Duplicate photo detection, storage management, and contact cleanup tools can genuinely help organize your device. What it does well may help identify duplicate photos and videos. This can save storage space if your gallery is full of repeated content. Can organize clutter. Features like contact cleanup and large file detection may make your device easier to manage. Where the hype falls apart, it won't magically make your phone dramatically faster. This is the biggest issue. Modern phones already manage memory and background processes quite well. Many junk file claims are exaggerated. Ads often make it seem like your phone is hiding huge amounts of unnecessary files that only their app can remove. Some features already exist on your phone. Many devices already include storage management and photo cleanup tools built into the operating system. So, should you download Cleanup app? Short answer, only if you want specific features. If you're looking for duplicate photo removal or storage organization, it may be useful. But if you're expecting a dramatic speed boost that transforms your phone into a brand new device, expectations may be too high. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.